Okay, let's look at measures 34 through 37 in Guitar Part 2. This has a double stop, D to G. I'm using these two fingers, I and M. And then there's a hammer on from the G to the A, and the D continues to ring. And that idea is repeated. 3 times. Then it changes. Okay, at measure 35 on B3, we have a pull off from C to B. And then it's repeated in measure 36. Open G to F sharp, slide to E, open D. Measure 37. Again, 37, ready, go.